Now welcome. Today I want to show you how to do shawarma. Shawarma, no be say until you go fast food go buy and feed there for your own house, buy your thing, do your shawarma by yourself. The thing we're going to need for the shawarma now, cabbage. You're going to need cabbage, hot dog, carrot, onions, mayonnaise, ketchup, chicken, anything if you put. Salad na like vegetable, cucumber, tomato, anything at all you like if you put them. First of all, what we go do be say, as you don't say, I don't already wash my cabbage. Now we go steam our meat. I don't already put my chicken. We put some spices. For these spices, I don't already put curry, thyme, ginger, garlic, every kind spices. Just take small, spray on top of the beef. So now make the beef get taste. Small pepper. Salt to taste. Then turn down so that all the spices go mix inside. After you don't do one like this finish, you go carry and go your fire to cook them. Now I don't already steam my chicken finish. I go put them for fire, just fry them for a little time. I go still use the same oil fry my hot dog. As it dey like this now, it dey raw, e no good to chop like this. Put small groundnut oil for inside the pot. Allow the oil to heat first, make it hot small. Now the oil don't hot. Just like say one fryer. Don't do like this, you go pack them out. Use the same hot oil. Put the hot dog. You turn this one to the turn and the turn now. If the hot dog done, you go not say done, you go to change color. Now my hot dog done dey ready. What I go do be say now I go cut all my cabbage, carrot and onions. We'll cut them. If you like am big you cut, if you like am small you cut. Cut am, make sure say you don't chop all. What's the other one? Grate the carrots. Onions. Now I don't cut all my vegetable finish, my salad, carrot and onions. Now for the sauce, we will make use of our mayonnaise. As many as you want. Me, I like my shawarma, say enough mayonnaise inside with a little bit of tomato ketchup. Voila, go there. Mix it and add it. Mix it with the cream. Mix all of them. If you even use your hand, mix them, whatever, they will enter together. Now we don't mix and finish. You carry your shawarma bread. If you see this thing, buy for supermarket. Carry small cream. Spread them on top like butter. Put your chicken, in your hot dog. Gently roll it in, gently. Now I don't wrap my shawarma finish. What you go do be say to make am warm, go put hot fry pan for fire, place am one by one. This one be say to seal the edges, make the thing no open if you dey chop am. We'll leave am there for some time. After we check am. My shawarma not finish. I don't finish my shawarma. This one nothing to cook, no protocol. I beg, may I not fail to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Sabi Maker. Thank you.
Make una no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Sabi Maker, or follow us on our social media platform at Sabi Maker, or you fit even call us for this number